Thank you very much. As was mentioned, this is my first year as chair of Senate Appropriations. I was suggested by someone that perhaps it was akin to getting tickets on the Titanic. The Titanic sunk, and I'm very confident that with all of us working together, we're going to not only move through the budget adjustment as we did in a very efficient way. I think some of the things that we did and some of the language relative to people working together and achieving the education spending targets and trying to really promote change and innovation. Those were good discussions, and they're just the beginning. So I'm very pleased. I have a wonderful committee, and this is the first step. Now we're on to the FY12 budget, and that's going to certainly require all of us putting our heads together to come out with a balanced budget and making the best decisions that we possibly can